Okay, so I'm going to do number 3 of the independent practice from lesson 5.3. We have a negative here. I really don't want to mess with a negative cubic root. Well, I can. It's -2. But I don't want to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide everything by -1. So that gives me 8x to the third minus 125 equals 0. Okay? And so that we have a to the cubed minus b to the cube, and that is going to factor as a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay? So let's go ahead and find out the cube root of 8x to the cube and the cube root of 125. Okay, so what number multiplied by itself 3 times gives you 8? That's 2. And the cube root of x to the third is x. And what number multiplied by itself 3 times gives you 125? That would be 5. So now that we've identified a and b, let's go ahead and substitute it into what it factors into. Okay, so we have 2x minus 5, and then a squared equals 2x squared, which is 4x squared. Okay, so that's 4x squared. And then ab, so we're going to multiply a times b, which is 2x times 5, which is 10x. And then b squared, which is 5 squared, which is 25. We're going to set this equal to 0. So we can split this. So we have 2x minus 5 equals 0. Okay, so x equals 5 halves. And 4x squared plus 10x plus 25 equals 0. So we have x equals -10 plus or minus the square root of 100 minus 4 times 25 over, okay, 2 times 4. So we have x equals -10 plus or minus the square root of -300 over 8. Okay. So we have -10 plus or minus, and then we're going to have I for sure. 300, let's look at 300. That factors as 103. Okay, so 100, when we square 100, that's 10. What stays inside is 3 divided by 8. Okay, now let's go ahead and simplify. We can simplify all of these by 2, so we have a 5, 5, and a 4. So x equals 5 halves and -5 plus or minus 5i to the square root of 3 over 4. And right here is our final answer. Okay, good job.